Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at the Love from Lizi September kit, and it's called A Spot of Autumn. This is a beautiful kit, and if you would like any information regarding subscriptions or other information like that, please do check in the description box below. Click on the More button and description will come up there with links, etc. So the first thing we're going to look at is the cardstock, and we usually get 5 sheets of cardstock. This is American size cardstock, so when you split this either down the middle or across, you'll get an A2 size card, which measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So we get a sheet of white cardstock. This is great for using with your ink markers or stamping, etc. It's a really smooth and a really white. Some whites can be kind of grey, but the white cardstock we get in the kit is a lovely white color. We get some black, red, orange and green, and these are some really nice colors. And hopefully it's giving us a peek at what colors we can expect to get in the kit. Next we get this. It's a sheet with some stickers on it. Lizi usually likes to put a 12 by 12 sheet inside with stickers, but this one, this is lovely. So we get lots of lovely stickers on this, and you can see the color palette very well matches the colors of our cardstock that we got. So we have It's a Good Day, Hello, A Great Day, Love This, Hello Friend, Beautiful, Live More, Worry Less, Live with a Grateful Heart, Making Memories, Quality Time, Say Cheese. Oh my gosh, there's so many. I'm not going to go through them all. Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes, lovely. And Choose Happy. I love that. But lots of sentiments on this. If you've seen, Lizi did a quick live on Facebook. She shared a card and she used this sticker here. Autumn shows us how beautiful it is to let things go. So a fab sticker sheet there as well. We also get some cut aparts. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it's 2 sheets that have been cut in half for us. So let me just measure what size that would have been. Yeah, so this would have been a 12 by 12 sheet that Lizi has cut down. And our sticker sheet is just shy. It's 11 1/4 by 12 inches. So nearly a 12 by 12 sheet. So our cut aparts here, I'm going to go through. This is the first sheet. So you can see this is the back. So if you don't want to use the cut aparts, you can use the pattern paper on the back. And then our cut aparts are A Really Great Day, Happy Day, Sweeter Than Money. Oh, sweeter than money. Sweeter than honey. Nothing sweeter than money, guys. Nothing. All This and More. Hello, hello Autumn. You are amazing. And then on this one, You Made My Day. Autumn shows us how beautiful it is to let things go. Falling for You and Beautiful You. So that is just a fab 12 by 12 sheet. And like I said, Lizi has cut that down for us. And then on the second one, you can see the sheet there that has been cut down. And then on the other side, we have Celebrate, Live with a Grateful Heart, It's a Good Day to Be Happy, Beautiful You, Every Moment Matters, and some lovely imagery there on those cut aparts. Next, I'm going to look at the pattern paper. So we get lots of double-sided sheets of pattern paper, and I'm just going to start laying them out on the table so you can have a look. So there is one, and I love the color tones on this. I think they really do look lovely, and it's definitely a spot of autumn with these color tones. Love that one with the daisies. One of my favorite flowers are daisies and gerberas. because they're very similar really. Love that as well. And I love this tartan. So we have it here in the white background and here in the mustard kind of background. And I'm just going to start these over here as well so you can see them. Isn't that lovely? Oh, that's lovely too. I really love these colors. They're very much my color palette. So there's all the pattern papers. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 sheets is what I have here. Next we get some peel-offs. These are the pinstripes, so they come in 3 different widths. They're a lovely kind of a burnt orange with a gold outline all around the peel-off, and these are very autumnal. They're absolutely lovely. Love those. We get a stamp set, and this stamp set is a, let's see, it's a 4 by 5 3/4 size stamp set. This one, I'd say this looks like leaves, but it looks like one of those stamp sets that is never ending. You can just stamp beside it and beside it and it'll give you a never ending. So if you like to make your own pattern paper, this is going to be really good. We get some leaves in this, 1, 2, 3. We get a couple of hearts, 3 of those. We get Hello Autumn and we get Hello Fall. So whether you're in America or Europe, you've got a sentiment there you're going to be happy with. So that's lovely. Next I'm going to look at the little stencil that we get. I love having little stencils. They're very handy. Let me get my ruler up the right way. This stencil is a 4 by 4 stencil, and I think again it gives that look of leaves, etc. But a lovely little stencil and a very cute little size to have there. Let's see, we also get this pack of puffy stickers, and they're all the little images that you'll see throughout this whole kit. Aren't they lovely for embellishments? Really, really nice. Love those. We get a piece of this ribbon. This piece of, I suppose you could call it ribbon really. It's a 12-inch piece and it is about 2 1/4 inches wide. This would be really cool to do something unusual with, so I'll have to leave that with me till I see what I come up with. But yeah, very cool. Lizzie really likes to throw things at us that you wouldn't necessarily see in other kits. And then we get washi tape, and who doesn't love washi tape? I made some really cute little boxes for on my desk, and let me just see if I can show you them. So I hope you can see them just there. These are the little boxes that I made using washi tape from a previous Love from Lizi kit. Okay, so let's get back to the unboxing. So these are all the washi tape that we get. I dropped one and I had to go searching at this roll, this one here. It went rolling off and I spent about 3 minutes looking for it on the floor of my craft room. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we get 2, 4, 6, 8 rolls of washi tape, and they come in all different widths, and I love that because they're really handy, from anything to securing a die down, so you can put it through a die cutting machine, to embellishing a box, to embellishing envelopes. Sometimes when I send crafty mail in the post, I love to embellish the envelope using washi tape. And as you can see, this kit really does go well with all the different patterns, etc. that's in our pattern papers. So a fabulous assortment of washi tape, and I love that. We also get this little sample bag of really fine, and it's like a rose gold glitter, which is really nice for filling in on a shaker card, and I love making shaker cards. You just need to be really careful that your shaker is sealed so the fine gold glitter doesn't come out. And we've also got some lovely little paper clips, and these have got little hearts on the top of them, which is lovely. I know there's a name for this kind of look, and I just can't think of it at the moment, but these are a really nice little paper clip. So if you like to do art journaling or scrap page, you know, scrapbook pages, these are going to be fabulous on them, as well as all the other products that have come in the kit. Really lovely. And then finally we get a die, and I haven't even looked at this die yet, would you believe that? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to die cut this out so you can see it. So I've die cut this out on my Big Shot, and it just, look at that. I just went through once. Normally I would kind of roll it through and back again, but I just put this through one time on my Big Shot, and it die cut out beautifully. I'm going to pop out all the little bits so we get a really good look at this die. And I did it in some brown cardstock as well from my stash, because I know I'll be able to use this then on one of my cards later on. But isn't that a beautiful thank you? I love that, and I do send out a good few thank you cards, so this is going to be perfect. And I'm going to pop that down there. I want you to be able to see it, so I think you can see it there. Yeah. So that's everything that came in the kit. So the only other thing that I got as a design team member, I got some peel-offs, and these just go so beautifully with this kit, but you know, can be used at any time. So there's the bumper pack. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I hope my camera is picking up the colors on these. So this is a kind of a burnt orange with a gold edging, and again the similar color again, but no gold on this one. Then we have a really dark brown with gold edging, a beautiful gold with gold edging. This is like a gold sparkle peel off with gold edging, and a black peel off with gold edging, and they're all the pinstripe peel offs, so they're all in 3 different sizes, and I think there gives you a great look at that pack that you can get from the website. Then there's this one. It's got the brown peel offs, it's got a gold holographic, a yellow peel off, and a really nice red metallic peel off. And then in this pack, we've got like the rose gold straight, the white straight with a gold edging. Then we've got the 3 different size heart peel-offs and the 3 different size circle peel-offs. If you like to embellish your card, but you don't want dimension, these are really handy. The hearts are in gold, and the circles are in a lovely dark forest green color. So don't forget to have a look at the website when you're purchasing anything. You can have it put into your kit, and Lizi doesn't charge you anything extra for that, for the shipping. So that's everything I received as a design team member this month for the September kit, A Spot of Autumn, and I'm so looking forward to crafting with this lot. There are links in the description down below, so click on the more button and you'll be able to see those links. I'm also going to put links down there for Kristie Marcotte's channel as well as Alina's channel. They're the 2 other design team members for Love from Lizi. They will have unboxings, but they'll also be bringing you some videos with their inspiration using the kit. So do pop over to their channel if you're not familiar with them. Maybe have a look and see what they've made. There is so much inspiration there using not just Love from Lizi kits, but other products that they share on their pages as well and their videos. So I'm going to leave it there, folks. Thanks so much for watching if you're still with me, and I'll see you soon using this fabulous spot of autumn kit. So until then, take care, crafty friends. Have a great week and see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.